Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we'll delve into the rumored upgrades of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, focusing on three key areas that might revolutionize your mobile experience. 1. Ergonomic elegance, a comfort revolution. Samsung seems to be taking user feedback seriously. Gone are the sharp corners of the S24 Ultra, a notorious culprit for hand discomfort. Leaks suggest the S25 Ultra will boast an asymmetrical middle frame, featuring a curved back that meets a straighter edge near the display. This ingenious design, according to industry insider ISOCELL, aims to enhance grip and overall ergonomics. While the S24 Ultra is a powerhouse, comfort hasn't been its forte. The current design makes the phone feel wider than it is, and the bezels appear thicker than they are. The S25 Ultra addresses these concerns with a potentially slimmer middle frame that maintains a comfortable width, thinner than the S24 Ultra but not as thin as the S24. This, combined with a bezel optimization strategy, promises a sleeker, more aesthetically pleasing phone. 2. Camera powerhouse. Redefining mobile photography. Samsung recently unveiled a trio of new camera sensors, and one of them might be the heart of the upcoming S25 and S25 Plus. The ISOCELL GNG sensor boasts a large 57-inch size, similar to the S24's main sensor. While it likely retains the 50MP resolution, the GNG brings exciting improvements. Samsung claims it combines superior low-light performance with an in-sensor zoom function, resulting in sharper videos and high-resolution photos without artifacts. But the excitement doesn't stop there. The GNG offers a 29% efficiency boost in preview mode and a staggering 34% gain when shooting 4K videos at 6 fps. This translates to faster processing, smoother recording, and potentially extended battery life. Galaxy S25 Ultra, the Ultra upgrade. Tech tipster Spinfo4T hints at even more significant upgrades for the S25 Ultra's camera system. The ultra-wide sensor might transition to a new, larger sensor with a potential jump to a hopping 50MP resolution, up from 12MP. The 3x telephoto lens could also receive a megapixel boost, reaching 50MP from its current 10MP. These hardware upgrades, coupled with Samsung's next-generation algorithms, promise to take mobile photography to a whole new level. 3. Gaming on the go. A mobile powerhouse emerges. Beyond the design and camera, rumors swirl about the processing power of the Galaxy S25 series. Speculation suggests Samsung might ditch its Exynos chip in favor of the mighty Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 from Qualcomm. This powerhouse chip boasts AI-powered frame generation technology, similar to what's found in high-end gaming PCs. This translates to potentially silky smooth gameplay at high frame rates, even for demanding titles like Genshin Impact. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 also features custom CPU cores and an upgraded Adreno GPU. While the exact pricing remains unknown, this cutting-edge technology might come at a premium. It's also unclear whether Samsung will reserve this chip exclusively for the S25 Ultra or extend it to the entire series. Farewell, Galaxy S25 Plus. Another interesting rumor suggests Samsung might be skipping the Galaxy S25 Plus model altogether. This decision likely stems from declining sales of the Plus variant in recent years. With the standard S25 offering a compelling package and the Ultra catering to power users, the Plus model might be deemed redundant. Looking ahead, a galaxy of possibilities. While nothing is confirmed yet, the rumors surrounding the Galaxy S25 series are certainly exciting. Samsung seems to be focusing on comfort, camera prowess, and potentially groundbreaking gaming capabilities. What features are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the Galaxy S25. Until next time, take care.